Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to see the block list in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your blocked list in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us at the bottom right corner with the three dotted icons. Tap on more, guys, at the bottom right, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us over here just above my notes. Tap on settings and you land on this interface. Again, will be required to tap on the privacy setting available for us over here just below the account. Tap on privacy and you land on this interface. Again, scroll down to the bottom and you can find the block list option available for us over here just below the control can add you to groups. Tap on block list, and on this interface, guys, you will be able to view all of the blocked accounts which you have blocked in the past over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see the block list in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.